Okay, we are doing the derivatives problems 1b. Anybody got doubt, please put in a group. I'll give you in voice message the explanation. Somebody was asking yesterday one doubt, so I have explained. So please go through the solutions. Okay, we'll continue some more problems. Look at here. Log of sine of e power sine inverse of e power x. So you call it as y dy by dx. First logarithm. First, what is the log x derivative? 1 by x. So this will become in the denominator. So 1 by sine inverse. Then d by dx of sine inverse e power x. Again 1 by sine inverse e power x, and sine inverse x derivative root of 1 minus e power x derivative. Reason, since sine inverse x derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So instead of x, e power x is there. Again d by d of e power x. So we have to do 1, 2, 3. First logarithm derivative 1 by sine inverse e power x, that is our second derivative. E power x sine inverse x derivative 1 by x square, then e power x derivative. Final answer into 1 by whole square e power x derivative e power x. Clear? So 3 derivatives are coming. Next, e power sine inverse x. Okay, what is e power sine inverse x derivative? So this is, you call it as y d by dx, e power x derivative e power x only into d by dx of sine inverse x. So this is e power sine inverse x into 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Simplest method. Okay, for example, y is equal to sine of log of e power x. Okay, what is that? Y is equal to sine of log of e power x. So dy by dx, sine means what? Cos log of e power x, d by dx of log of e power x. Observe here what will happen. I am writing here. So dy by dx is equal to cos of log of e power x into, what is the logarithm derivative? 1 by x. So e power x into d by dx of e power x. Right? So observe here. So what will happen now? Cos of log of e power x into 1 by e power x derivative e power x. These two will get cancelled. What is the answer? Cos of log of e power x. Here it is a cancellation is there, we are doing, otherwise there is no need. So observe here what we are doing. It is a chain rule process. Please note down this. Next problem. Cos of log x plus e power x. Okay, call it this as y. So dy by dx is, what is the cos derivative? Minus sine log of cos of e power x, d by dx of log x plus e power x. So this becomes e power x into log x derivative 1 by x e power x. Okay, you should know the chain rule properly, sir. Next step. Y is equal to cot inverse of cosecant 3x. Now observe here, very very important. It is minus 1 by cosecant x 3x whole square, right? Reason I am writing here. Cot inverse x derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So what is the cot inverse derivative? I have not given this formula, I am now writing cot inverse derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of cosecant 3x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus cosecant 3x whole square. Cosecant x derivative minus cot 3x into cosecant 3x. So what is the cosecant x derivative? Minus cot x cosecant x. Derivative of cosecant x, sir. Cosecant x is minus cot x cosecant x into last one d by dx of 3x. So final answer. This minus will make as plus. So 1 by whole square into into 3x derivative 3. So here chain rule very very important. If you understand, very simple method. So first you have to write the cot inverse derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square and cosecant minus cot x cosecant x, again 3x derivative. Chain rule. Okay, please note on this. Next. No, next problem. Cos of log of cot x. So you call it as y. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to cos derivative minus sine of log of cot x into d by dx of log of cot x. So this becomes minus sine of log of cot x into logarithm derivative 1 by cot x into d by dx of cot x. So 3 cos derivative, then logarithm derivative, then cot derivative. Final answer. Into 1 by cot x into cot x derivative minus cosecant square x. Leave the answer here, sir. It is only 2 marks weightage, so he expects this method. Okay. Next step. Sine of cos of x square. So you call it as y. So first dy by dx, sine derivative cos of x square into d by dx of cos x square. So this becomes cos of x square, cos derivative minus sine x square into d by dx of x square. So cos of x square into minus sine x square derivative 2x. So observe here, sine derivative cos, first part is over, again cos derivative minus sine, second part is over, last part is, observe here, it is called chain rule. Okay, there is other method is there, but this method is also accepted by Board of Intermediate. So please note on this. Next. Now, log of cot of 1 minus x square. Right? Now this is recorded as y. So dy by dx is equal to logarithm derivative 1 by cot of 1 minus x square d by dx of 1 minus x square. 1 by cot of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cot is minus cosecant square into d by dx of 1 minus x square. Right? Therefore, find the answer. 1 minus x square into minus cosecant 1 minus x square, and 1 minus x square, 1 derivative 0, x square derivative minus 2x. Okay, leave the answer like this. Okay, next. Sine of tan inverse of e power x. Again, dy by dx, sine derivative cos of e power x into d by dx of, right? Now again cos of e power x into tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 by x square. Why? I am writing here. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square, right? Into d by dx of e power x. So reason is here. Okay, so final answer. dy by dx is equal to cos of tan inverse of e power x into 1 by 1 plus e power x derivative e power x. Okay, so what we have to do? Chain rule. So please go to all these problems, sir. Okay, please note down this. Now look at the next problem. Understand here clearly. Tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus cos x. You got it as, you can observe change, sir, how we are doing this. So dy by dx 1 by 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x whole square. Why? Just I am writing here. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the formula. Into d by dx of cos x by 1 plus cos x. So you have to find the derivative what is. So for this derivative, I do it separately, sir. It is u by v formula. What is the u by v formula? U dash v minus v dash u by v square. What meant by this? 1 plus cos x whole square, and u dash means what? Cos x derivative into 1 plus cos x minus of 1 plus cos x derivative into cos x. So I am applying u by v formula, u dash v minus v dash u. So what is the cos x derivative? Minus sin x into 1 plus cos x minus of 1 derivative 0 minus sin x into cos x by 1 plus cos x whole square. Now open the bracket, minus sin x cos x. Here with minus sign I am opening, minus of minus become plus sin x cos x by whole square. So right. Now what I have done? I have applied u by v formula. So u dash v minus v dash u, u dash v minus v dash u by v square. Please go through the solution carefully. So here cos x derivative into 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x derivative into cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x, 1 plus cos x as this, here 0, 1 derivative 0. So open the bracket, this will get cancelled. These two terms will get cancelled, is equal to minus sin x by, okay, 1 plus cos x. Miss, you call it as equation number 1. So what I have done? I have found out derivative of this separately. Now what is the derivative of this we got? Minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. That we will write here. Now please note down up to here. Now I will put in the first equation. I am writing here is equal to 1 by whole square into this derivative. What is that we got? By whole square. What is that we got? Derivative of this we got. Now, so what I will do? Simplification. Sometimes he is giving for 4 marks, sometimes he is giving for 7 marks. That's why the simplification part is important. So 1 by 1 plus cos x whole square into minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. If you take the LCM, 1 by whole square, here 1 plus cos x whole square plus cos square x into minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. These two will get cancelled. So what is the final answer? Minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square plus cos square x. So what I have done? This will go to numerator, that will get cancelled. So what is the answer? Minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square plus cos square x. So we have found out this derivative separately using u by v formula. Okay, this problem is very, very important. Please go through. Next problem. Same model, sir. Small changes in the problem. Tan inverse of cos x by cos x plus sin x. Same model, only the function has been changed. Function marchar, sir. So you call it as y. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x by cos x plus sin x whole square into d by dx of cos x by cos x plus sin x. What is the formula? I am applying tan inverse formula. Is 1 by 1 plus x square. Right? Now you call it as 1. Now we have to find the derivative for this. Again, cos x by cos x plus sin x, which is u by v formula, is equal to u dash v dash u by v square. Okay, so what will happen? Cos x derivative into cos x plus sin x minus of cos x plus sin x derivative into cos x by cos x plus sin x whole square. Same procedure, sir. Okay. So what we are doing, the same method we are applying, right? Now, what is the cos x derivative? Minus sin x into cos x plus sin x minus of cos x derivative minus sin x derivative cos x into cos x. Okay, by this denominator is cos x plus sin x whole square. Open the bracket, cos x minus sin square x with minus sign, minus of minus plus sin x plus cos x will come, and minus cos square x will come by cos x plus sin x whole square. So these two will get cancelled. Okay, observe here. So what I have done, I have applied u by v formula, then wherever cancellation is there, that we have done. Okay, let us see next step. Now look at here, these two got cancelled, take minus common from this. So what will happen? Sin square x plus cos square x by sin x plus cos x whole square. This is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So 1 by sin x plus cos x whole square. So we got this answer. Now where we have to put in the first equation. Put in the first equation. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x plus sin by cos x plus sin x whole square into minus 1 by sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, if you take LCM, one step I am writing directly. So what will happen? This becomes 1 by cos x plus sin x whole square plus cos x by this is whole square, sorry, whole square by cos x plus sin x whole square into minus 1 by sin x plus cos x whole square. So these two will get cancelled. So what is the final answer? I am writing here. What is the final answer? Everything got cancelled, only minus sign is left over. So minus 1 by cos x plus sin x whole square plus cos square x. So please go through this problem, sir. 2-3 times he has given for 7 marks. So here the simplification part. Okay. So here cancellation will be there, this will be. Okay. So these are by chain rule problem. So many models will be there, sir, in this. One by one we will be doing it. Okay. Next parametric substitution, everything will come. Okay. We'll see this.